Hello and welcome to a new video at Dark Earth RDL. This is a new channel about a group of mates who are just getting into airsoft. In this video you'll see us playing a small game of team deathmatch against each other. The teams for this match are Rob and Dion versus Liam. We don't know where Liam is, so we proceed with caution, constantly checking and stopping to listen. Out of nowhere a few BBs land near us, so we take defensive positions and try to return fire.
See where he is? What's damage? Somebody's too good.
Liam has a good position where we can't see him, but he can freely shoot at us.
I see him.
We finally spot him, but we can't hit him. We decide we need to get closer, so I give covering fire whilst Dion moves up.
Oh, this you crazy mother...